Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you people are doing well. So today I am with our new chapter, okay? A new video with new chapter from science, okay? And the part I have selected this time is chemistry. In this video I will be discussing only about the multiple choice questions, okay? The most important multiple choice questions which can be asked in your annual exam 2021, okay? And these questions are totally based on the new exam pattern, so kindly watch it till the last. You are going to learn a lot of things. I just don't cover the questions, I will also tell you about its different types, okay? The types of questions that can be asked related to the questions which I have given here, okay? So if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it, okay? And don't forget to like, comment and share. Please share it at last, okay? So let us start, but before that let me tell you the basics, which basic topics which you should be aware of before reading this chapter, okay? Before solving the problems or solving the questions from this chapter, you should be aware of these basic topics, okay? So let me give you a short summary. See, the chapter is carbon and its compounds, okay? So compound formed by it is mainly what? Covalent compounds. So you should be aware of covalent bond first thing. After this you should be aware of hydrocarbons, okay? The meaning of hydrocarbons, the definitions, their properties, whatever. And in these hydrocarbons you should be aware of saturated, okay, and unsaturated hydrocarbons, okay? And under this you have alkane, okay? They are mainly of single bond, and they are alkene and alkyne. You have to remember the names, okay? The only difference is this letter A, here E and here Y, okay? If it is A, it is single bond. For E, it is double bond. For Y, it is triple bond, okay? These bonds are between the different atoms of the compound. In the general formula also you have to remember, for alkane it is CnH2n plus 2, okay? For alkene it is CnH2n, okay? And for alkyne it is CnH2n minus 2, okay? And this is sometime equal to okay, cycloalkanes. This formula, that is formula of alkene, is equal to the formula of cycloalkanes, okay? Cyclo, remember that, okay? These things you have to remember. And you should also be aware of saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds, okay? Moving further, after this you should be knowing about functional groups, okay? Functional groups, so which are they mainly? You are aware of this OH, it represent alcohol. CHO, it represent aldehyde. Then you have ketone, it is represented by CO. Then carboxylic acids. You should be aware of all these three names, okay? And how they are used for the nomenclature, okay? Next is after this you should be aware of naming these compounds, okay? These things are very important, like meth, it represents 1 2 3 4 till 6 you can remember. Meth, eth, prop, but, okay? Next is pent and hex, okay? If it is ane, it's become methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane. If it is ene, methane, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene, okay? Similarly with the next one. And one more important compound is this one, C6H6. What is this? Yes, it is benzene. So you should be aware of both the chemical formula, okay, sorry, molecular formula as well as its structural formula. Okay, after this the last topic under this chapter is, okay, uh, it is the reactions. Okay, chemical reactions of the carbon compounds. You should be aware of the definition as well as examples. Okay, which are there? First is combustion. You should know the meaning of this combustion. Then you have oxidation. Okay, then you have addition reaction, and at last, yes, substitution reaction. Okay, so you should be aware of all these reactions with example. Okay, and a little knowledge about soaps and detergents. Okay, you should be ready with all this. Only then this chapter will look easy to you. It's not a huge chapter actually. If you have if you are aware of all this, your works become very easy. You can easily answer any question asked from this chapter. Okay, so are you ready now? Before that, like the video. Okay, so let us start with our first question. Let us see. So this is our first question. Okay, which among the following is not a property of carbon compounds? Okay, not a property of carbon compounds, mainly covalent compounds. They are poor conductor of electricity. No, it is a property. They have high boiling points. Okay, this looks like the answer. They do not give rise to any ions. Okay, the property of catenation. All these three are correct, but only option which is not valid for this is option number B. They have high boiling points. Actually, carbon compounds have low boiling as well as melting points. So you have to remember them. Based on that, they can ask question like this. Okay, so option number B is the right answer. Moving to the next question. The total number of electrons in the outermost shell of carbon, Z is equal to 6. This represent atomic number is 6. Okay, how much is that? So you all know that if you write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, so this is first shell, this is the second and outermost shell. How many electrons are there? 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, therefore it is also called as what? Tetravalent. Correct, because its valency is 4. Okay, so here the answer is 4. Number of electrons in outermost shell is 4. Keep that in mind. Moving to next question. The simple molecule that formed by sharing of valence electrons is dash. Which is the simple molecule? Okay, so it is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the simple molecule which can be formed by sharing what? Valence electrons. Okay, it can also form oxygen, nitrogen, okay, then carbon dioxide, NH3. You should be aware of all these things. Okay, moving to question number 4 now. Which among the following is widely used as a fuel? Okay, so it is which one? Yes, you guessed it right. It is methane. Option number C is the correct. Okay, methane, mainly used as fuel, like the cylinder which is used to cook the food. Okay, the gas present in your gas cylinder which is used for cooking food is which one? Methane. Remember this. Okay, now moving to question number 5. Carbon is a tetravalent. Okay, tetravalent because of its what? Tetravalent. The name itself indicate tetra means 4, valent means valency, because its valency is 4. Okay, so because of its valency, option number C is the right choice. Moving to question number 6. I hope you are enjoying the questions. We'll get some more interesting questions now. This is your question number 6. Okay, so what have they given? See, the question is, Carbon has the ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large molecules. Okay, this unique property of carbon is what? Okay, so carbon can form bond with other atoms of carbon. Okay, why? Because it has a property. The property is called as what? Catenation. You have to remember this name. Catenation is the name of this property by which carbon can form bonds with other atoms of carbon or some other atoms. Moving to next question. Which among the following is not a property of unsaturated hydrocarbon? Okay, as I said, you should be aware of both saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, like if you're studying for long answers question, you might have studied the difference between saturated and unsaturated. So based on that, a question can be asked. Okay, so unsaturated they have given, they can be of double or triple, not a property, but this is a property. More reactive, yes, even this is the property. Give clean flame on burning, no, this is given by which one? Saturated. Okay, this is not a property of unsaturated carbon compound. Okay, so therefore option number C. Give yellow flame with lot of black smoke, yes, this is also a property of unsaturated. Okay, so option number C is the right answer. Okay, moving to question number 8. An example of saturated hydrocarbon is dash. Saturated. So saturated means what? You have only alkane. And the formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Okay. Now you can just put these values and compare whether you are getting same or not. If Cn is 2, what is H? 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6. Yes. This is an example of saturated. Others, if you take 3, here you will get 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 3 C3H8, but this they have given H4. So this can't be. C2H2, this also can't be. C2H4, this also can't be. The only option which is matching with our general formula is A. So therefore that is our answer. Can you name this? Can you name this compound? You can name it in the comment section. Okay, question number 8, you should write the name of this compound. Next is ninth question. Okay, so here what is the question given? Okay, just a minute. Yeah, the question they have given here is the molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds which are in. Okay, question number 9 is the molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds which are in homologous series are C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. The suitable general formula for these compounds is dash. So just compare with those 3 formulas, CnH2n plus 2. If you start with this, so if Cn is 2, what is H? 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6, H is 6. Yes, this is matching. If you take this, okay, they are of the same homologous series, means they will follow a single common formula. Okay, so this formula is for which one? It is for alkane, right? So if they give alkane option, you have to choose this, or else if they have given this formula itself like in this, okay, so you have to tick that. Option number D is the correct choice here. Okay, next is question number 10. The correct group of saturated hydrocarbon, saturated, once again alkane, they should belong to CnH2n plus 2 group. So you can start with first one. If C1, then what is this? 2 plus 2, 4. Yes, this is right. C2H4, C2H6, no, this is not matching. C2H6, okay, C2H4 plus 2, 6. Yes, C3H8, 3 to the 6 plus 2. Yes, C4H5, H10, 4, and 4 to Z plus. Yes, this is matching. So you can just tick it. Option number B is the right choice. Okay, in exam you have to round those options. I'm just telling you here to tick it because it means B is the right answer. Okay, in exam you don't have to tick, you have to encircle the given options in the OMR sheet. Okay, Next is question number 11. The functional groups present in propanol and propanal respectively are dash. So if you look at this, the last two words are OL and here it is AL. So these represent alcohol. Okay, alcohol. So OL, these last two letters are written in the last of any given compound, and here Al is the last, but it is for aldehyde, the first two letters. Okay, so OL and Al, alcohol and aldehyde, and for this the formula is OH, and for this the formula is, chemical formula is this one. Okay, OH CH. So option number A is the right choice here. Okay, next moving to question number 12. Okay, this is our question number 12. So what is the question they have given? The number of single bonds and double bonds present in a structure of benzene molecule respectively. Okay, benzene molecule means number of single and then double. So if you know the molecular structural formula, you can easily write it. Okay, this is the what structural formula of benzene. Okay, with hydrogen here. Okay, hydrogen, 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 one more carbon, sorry, hydrogen. Okay, now you can count double, single, once again double, then single, sorry, then again double. So how many double bonds? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 double bonds. So single, double. So double they have given 3. Okay. And single, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9. Option number, which one? 9 and 3. B is the right answer. Okay. Sorry, not this. B. Moving to the question number 13 now. The name and the molecular formula of the unsaturated hydrocarbon having general formula CnH2n and containing 3 carbon atom is dash. Okay, unsaturated with 3. So unsaturated with this formula CnH2n. This formula belongs to which one? Alkene, correct? So if it is 3, this becomes C3H6. So C3H6 is this one. Okay, but they have asked unsaturated, so it can't be belongs to alkane. Therefore, it is what? Propene. Okay, unsaturated they have mentioned. Therefore, it should be propene. Okay, double bonded one. Option number D is the right choice. Okay. Next is question number 14. The number of single bonds present in the structure of cyclohexane, okay, is dash. So as I said, this cycloalkane is similar to which one? Alkene. So CnH2n. So it is hexane, means C6. H should be 6 to the 12. So if you count this, 6 plus 2, 12 is how much? 18. Okay, so this is the number of bond, single bond. Here the answer is option number B. Okay, moving to question number 15. The structure, the molecular formula of benzene is, yes, it is C6H6. It is very important. You have to remember both molecular formula, okay, structural formula, and you should know the number of single and double bonds. So here it is option number C. Okay, moving to next question. The common molecular formula for both cyclopropane and propene. Okay, as I said, cycloalkane and alkene are similar in formula. Okay, so they follow this formula CnH2n. So since it is propene, this is C3H6. Okay, the answer is option number A, C3H6. Moving to next question. Okay, yes, here the question is CH4 plus Cl2 gives rise to what? CH3Cl plus HCl in the presence of sunlight. The above reaction is an example of which reaction? Okay, so if you see here, one of the hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, right? Can you see it? So since chlorine is substituting hydrogen, we call it as substitution reaction. Okay, you have to keep this in mind. Okay, substitution reaction is the answer. Okay, in the presence of sunlight. Next is question number 18. Okay, the question is, an alcohol can be easily converted into carboxylic acid. Okay, with the help of which reaction? Yes, it is with the help of oxidation. Okay, remember this. Alcohol, it is OH, and this is COOH. Correct? So with the help of oxidation, means addition of oxygen. Okay, we can change this to what? This is alcohol, this is carboxylic acid. So this is oxidation reaction. Next is question number 19. The reaction used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oils is dash. Hydrogenation of vegetable oil. Which one is that? Yes, it is addition reaction. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 20. Alkenes can be converted to alkanes with the help of which reaction? Okay, so see, alkenes is unsaturated hydrocarbon and alkane is saturated hydrocarbon, correct? So which reaction gives the conversion of unsaturated to saturated? Yes, just now we saw this one, addition reaction. Okay, option number C is the right choice. They can also give question like the reaction used to convert unsaturated into saturated hydrocarbon is which one? It is addition reaction. Okay, with the help of what? Yes, nickel catalyst. Here they used catalyst. Next is question number 21. The hydrocarbon that undergoes addition reaction among the following. See, same type of question they can be asked in different ways. Addition reaction means was what? The unsaturated hydrocarbon, it gets converted to saturated hydrocarbon, right? So unsaturated, either it can be double bond or of triple bond. Now the formula for this is CnH2n, and here CnH2n minus 2. Okay, and if it was saturated, it is CnH2n plus 2. So you have to pick this one. Okay, that undergoes addition. Okay, sorry, that undergoes means it should not be like this, it should not follow this formula. So let us see, CH4, so it is following this formula, so this cannot undergo. C2H6, even this is following. C3H8, even this is following. Okay, right? C2H4, so C2H4 is a double bond, right? So this is following this one, this formula for alkane. So only alkene is a unsaturated and the rest were what? Saturated. Therefore only this will undergo addition reaction. Addition reaction, only unsaturated hydrocarbons will undergo that. Okay, moving to next question. And what is this? You can see it here. Okay, while cooking, if the bottom of the vessel is getting blackened on the outside, it is a sign of dash. Okay, so here are the options. Food is not completely cooked, complete combustion, incomplete combustion, the fuel is wet. So it is option number C, because of incomplete combustion. Okay, if there is no combustion, a lot of smoke will released. Okay, so option number C is the answer. Okay, I hope you all have understood the questions which I have taken here, and I think you find it useful. So you can take these two questions as homework. Okay, this is your first question. You have to answer it in the comment section, and this is your second question. Question number 23 and 24 are the homeworks for you. Let us see who can answer them. Okay, So if you really like this video, kindly do share it. Don't forget to share, please. Kindly share it to maximum number of students. Okay, and don't forget to like it. If you want to give some suggestion, you can write it in the comment section. Okay, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, kindly do it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my videos which are coming in the future. Okay, so we'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, practice well, and all the best for your exams.